Hey everyone, welcome back to Home Harmony Haven. Today, we're diving into the world of bathroom design and decoration with a focus on two key elements, bathtubs and basins. Whether you're updating your current space or planning a complete remodel, these ideas will help you enhance your bathroom's aesthetic and functionality. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about bathtubs. The bathtub is often the centerpiece of the bathroom, so choosing the right design can set the tone for the entire space. Here are 3 trending bathtub designs and how they can be installed to maximize your chosen theme. Freestanding tubs are a timeless choice that adds a touch of luxury and elegance to any bathroom. They come in various shapes: oval, rectangular, or even sculptural forms. For a classic look, choose a white claw foot tub with polished chrome feet. Place it centrally or near a window to create a focal point. This style works wonderfully in traditional or vintage-themed bathrooms. Sunken bathtubs offer a unique and luxurious experience. These tubs are set into the floor, creating a sleek, modern look that blends seamlessly with the surrounding space. They work especially well in larger bathrooms or those designed as home spas. Install a sunken tub with a surrounding deck or platform to enhance the feeling of indulgence and relaxation. Perfect for contemporary or minimalist themes, sunken tubs provide a dramatic, eye-catching feature. Corner bathtubs are a fantastic option for optimizing space, especially in smaller bathrooms. They are designed to fit snugly into a corner, making efficient use of otherwise unused space. These tubs can be built into a platform with stylish tile work or sleek panels. For a modern twist, choose a corner tub with rounded edges and a built-in seat. This design maximizes floor space and adds a practical yet elegant feature to your bathroom. Next, let's talk about basins. The type of basin you choose can greatly affect the functionality and aesthetic of your bathroom. Here are some ideas for single and double basins and how they can align with different bathroom themes. Single basins are ideal for smaller bathrooms or powder rooms where space is at a premium. Opt for a sleek, wall-mounted basin with a floating vanity for a modern look. A vessel sink can also make a stylish statement, especially if paired with a stylish faucet and minimalist cabinetry. This design works well in contemporary or minimalist-themed bathrooms, where clean lines and uncluttered spaces are key. Double basins are perfect for larger bathrooms, where 2 people might be using the space simultaneously. Consider a long double vanity with integrated sinks for a streamlined appearance. For a more luxurious feel, try a double sink with a marble countertop and matching backsplash. This setup is great for family bathrooms or master suites, and it complements classic, elegant themes. So there you have it. Some fantastic bathtub and basin designs that can elevate your bathroom's style and functionality. From freestanding tubs to sleek single and double basins, there are plenty of options to suit any theme or space. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more interior design tips. Let us know in the comments which bathtub or basin design you're excited to try out in your bathroom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.